Introducing the Black & Decker NLP1800 Alligator Lopper, the innovative clamping jaws grab and cut in one easy motion. The cordless alligator lopper's lightweight design is easy to handle and control. You can cut branches or clean up the mess created by storm and rains effortlessly with the help of this Black & Decker NLP1800 cordless chainsaw. Powered by an 18-volt motor, it works excellently in cutting or trimming small branches as well as logs with diameters that measure up to 4 inches. The bar length measuring 6 inches and combined with the heavy-duty chain, result in the swift cutting of thick logs and branches. At only 7.9 pounds, this chainsaw is suitable for long hours of usage as it is light enough to be carried around. Now take a look at the features and specifications of this unit. What are customers saying about this chainsaw? Check out the customer reviews now at bestchainsawreview.com.